leader is the one who influences the behavior and work of others towards achievement of specified goal. ਲੀਡਰ ਉਹ ਬੰਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਟੂਵਰਡਸ ਐਡਰੈਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਇਨਫਲੂਐਂਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨ ਤੇ ਅਚੀਵ ਕਰਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਾਮਨ ਗੋਲ ਹੈ। ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਏ ਲੀਡਰ ਇਨ ਏ ਫੈਕਟਰੀ producing mobiles will influence people to get more and more mobiles packaged as or manufacture the plates and combine all the stationery buttons, plate and case together to form a particular product. Whereas a manager manages the things. मैनेजर है ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਮੈਨੇਜ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ। Suppose a manager in PCB department manages the PCBs that are working. PCBs printed circuit board. A manager in the case developing material will take about or take charge of making the good cover of mobiles. Similarly, other components are controlled by various managers. Managers may be one or many. People are employees got influence from management. Now there are two types of things. First is leader, which leads or takes the people to towards common goal to achieve a common goal. Leader, for example, leader is a person who wants to make 50 mobiles a day. The leader works on it, influence the people working under him to make a good achievement of 50 mobiles at the end of the day when the people are going to home. Whereas manager manages the things, he manages the different departments. There will be many managers in a organization, whereas a leader will be one, and he can also lead the managers. Now let us see what a manager and leader do. ਇੱਕ ਲੀਡਰ ਉਹ ਬੰਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਕੋਆਰਡੀਨੇਟ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨਸ਼ਿਪਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਰਕਰਸ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ, ਕਿ ਹਰੇਕ ਵਰਕਰ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਮਿਲ ਜੁਲ ਕੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰੇ। ਲੀਡਰ ਦੀ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਟਾਸਕ ਇਹ ਹੈ। दूसरा है कि लीडर वर्क्स ऑन टॉप लेवल। ਲੀਡਰ ਟੌਪ ਮੋਸਟ ਮੈਨੇਜਰਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਜਾਂ EMPLOYEES ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਟੌਪ ਮੋਸਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੇ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਚਾਹੇ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਇਨਫਲੂਐਂਸ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਜਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਡਰਾ ਕੇ ਧਮਕਾ ਕੇ ਜਾਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਕੰਮ ਲੈਂਦਾ, ਉਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਲੀਡਰ। ਲੀਡਰ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਆਲਵੇਜ਼ ਔਨ ਦਾ ਟੌਪ ਆਫ ਦਾ management level. A leader has followers. Leader the followers ਹੁੰਦੇ हैं. Similarly, the leader in our economics or democratic level, there are leaders who have followers which follow him blindly. So leader in industry also has followers which will do whatever their leader wants him to do. The aim of the leader is to fulfill followers' need. This point explains if leader wants to work for a company or wants to work for himself to produce the product, followers also need leader to fulfill their purpose. If a follower is injured or there is some problem to the followers, leader will listen to him and wants to, or it's his right to compensate him or do whatever he will want to observe or do. Leader focuses on informational aspects, transformational the reader develops goal achieving process. All leaders are not managers. लीडर फोकस करता है ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल लेवल एस्पेक्ट्स। ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल लेवल एस्पेक्ट्स की वो जिथे भी किसी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का लोड किस चीज़ की चाहिए है तो उस लेवल पे काम करता है। लीडर डेवलप्स एंड गोल अचीविंग प्रोसेस। गोल अचीविंग कि एक दिन दे विच जिहड़ा भी गोल फुलफिल करना वो यूज़ करता है कि वो गोल फुलफिल करे। एंड लास्ट वन, ऑल लीडर्स आर नॉट मैनेजर। जरूरी नहीं कि मैनेजर है जो लीडर भी, बट वाइस वर्सा ऑल मैनेजर्स में भी लीडर। मैनेजर है वो एक लीडर की तरह से काम करूँगा, पर लीडर जरूरी नहीं है कि मैनेजर की तरह से काम करूँगा। ये 7 एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ ए लीडर। नाउ वी विल स्टडी अबाउट मैनेजर। मैनेजर की करता है। essential to a concern। मैनेजर है जिहड़ा कि बहुत जरूरी है कंसर्न दे वास्ते। मैनेजर leads the people, manages the people, so it is very concernful in the case of manager। Manager focuses on lower level। प्रोडक्ट के जो पार्ट्स बनते पे उन्होंने पार्ट्स के हरेक डिपार्टमेंट के एक बंदा वो जो आप सुपरवाइजर कहते हैं, और इन इंग्लिश मैनेजर वर्ड वी कॉल इट मैनेजर हु मैनेजेस द थिंग्स दैट आर बिल्डिंग और ऑपरेटिंग और डिजाइनिंग थिंग। The subordinates are the followers of the manager। मैनेजर अंदर काम करने वाले जो लोग हैं वो मैनेजर के फॉलोअर है। मैनेजर अंदर काम करने वाले लोग की सपोज देयर इज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, देयर इज डिपार्टमेंट कॉल्ड वेल्डिंग। वेल्डिंग मैनेजर के अंदर जो काम करते पे है वो है वेल्डिंग वर्कर्स। सारे वेल्डिंग वर्कर्स है जोड़े वो फॉलो करने के आपके मैनेजर जे मैनेजर ने कहा कि वेल्डिंग स्टार्ट कर दूँ तो यह पार्ट 1 घंटे के बनया होना चाहिए, तो वो आपकी पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि जो कुछ उन्होंने मैनेजर ने कहा वो फुलफिल कर दे। The aim of manager is to meet the organizational goals। मैनेजर का एम की है कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के गोल ਨੂੰ पूरा करना। सपोज आप फिर वही एग्जांपल लेने हैं कि वो वेल्डिंग वर्कशॉप के काम करता तो उन्होंने वेल्डिंग के 50 पार्ट्स दिन के एंड तक चाहिए है, तो वो उस गोल से कवर करूँगा, उस गोल को यूज़ करूँगा कि वो वर्करस मिल के यह काम करन कि वो 50 की जगह 60 भावें बना सकते हैं, पर 50 पार्ट्स जोड़े कि उन्होंने दिते हुए वो 50 पार्ट्स जरूरी कवर कर। मैनेजर फोकसेस ऑन ट्रांजैक्शनल लेवल। Maintain the goal achieved। मैनेजर मेंटेन करता है गोल अचीवमेंट, जो भी गोल उन्होंने दिता है उसमें आल मैनेजर्स आर लीडर्स। सारे मैनेजर हैं जोड़े it over here. Now let's re-practice all the things. Leader and manager. A leader is required to create cordial relationship between process working in organization. Whereas a manager is a manager which is essential to a concern. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ concern ਵਾਸਤੇ. Leader focuses on top level, whereas manager focuses on lower level. Leader have followers, the group of employees whom leaders follows. The subordinates are the followers of managers. The aim of the leader is to fulfill followers' need. The aim of manager is to meet organizational goals. Leader focuses on transformational aspects. Manager focuses on transactional. Leader focuses on transformational aspects. Leader focuses on transformational activities, whereas manager focuses on transactional aspects. A leader develops goal achieving process. The manager maintains the goal achieving process. The leaders are all leaders are not managers, but all managers are leaders. Functions of leadership. These are differences, 7 differences between manager and a leader. Now let us talk about functions of a leader. There are 7 functions of a leader. First one is motivating employee, write down. Morale building. Another is creating confidence, coordination, coordinating, facilitation change, goal settings and representation. These are functions of a normal leader. Write it down. First one is motivating employees. A manager's first task or first function is to motivate employees. Motivating employees means motivating him to do something. If he works in a factory, he wants to will motivate employees to work there and to deal with the various situations and do its task successfully without any stress or burden. Second part is morale building. Morale is something that is come within the employee, that he wants to work for the betterment of any organization. So he builds the morale of the employee so that he can work very hard and towards the achievement of the common goal or the achievement of the organization goal. Creating confidence. He creates confidence between the workers. If no worker joins in, he will do whatever he has to which belongs to the workers' confidence and motivating them for fighting change. Coordinating. He coordinates between one or two workers. Facilitates change. Suppose the factory or organization has a new machine. There is a change in the working process of workers which are doing that thing by hand. He will tell the employees to facilitate that change to work on the new machine. He will tell them the machine will work better, less injuries will occur, and all the things that are done by him. Goal setting. He will create goal, whether likely I have done tell in the advance tell previously that goal setting. He will create or top manager level creates a task that 15 cars will be manufactured till evening. He will set the goal and tell it to the leader. Leader motivates the workers or employees to make the things done, and the end of the day, the 50 cars will be developed. Representation. He represents his task towards the employees and to the upper management. He is a link between the employees and the management, top level managers or the owner of that organization. So there are 7 functions. First one is motivating employees, where he motivates the employees. Second function is morale building. He develops the both leadership relative to make the employees morale very high. His thinking, his attitude will be developed in this function. Third, creating confidence. A dynamic leader contains and sustains self-confidence among the workers and his subordinates. He provides and achieves guidance by different ways, by telling them, by tightening them, by setting goals, by giving examples. Next is coordination. A good manager or a good leader is the top coordinator of various elements in the good life. He is responsible for the execution of policies. Facilitate change. Leadership is the mechanism to consider that there is a change that will be working on it. He will change and tell employees to do on the new machines and new buildings, etc. Goal setting. Effective leadership provides guidance to the group by setting and interpreting the goals. Goals I have tell you previously. He will tell the employees that in the evening we have to deliver 30, 12, 13, 14 or whatever the tasks are that are to be completed. He will do them by telling their employees. That is called the goal setting. Goal setting. Goal means to fulfill the particular products that are there. Finally, representation. He will represent the employer by using some set of techniques, and also represents the organization that will tell the employees to do what particular work for them. These are functions of value. Now we will come about importance of leadership. importance of leadership. Whatever the functions of a manager is okay.
27
Importance of leadership. First one, it initiates action. Initiate actions mean when the decision what it wants to do is called initiates action. ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਕੰਮ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਕੰਮ ਆਪਾਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਨਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟ ਕਰਨਾ, ਕੰਮ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਨਾ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਵਸਤੂ ਨੂੰ ਨਵਾਂ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਕੰਮ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ। ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਇਹ ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿ ਕਾਰ ਦੀ ਬਾਡੀ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਹੈ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਵੇ ਇੱਕ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਦਾ ਨਵਾਂ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਤਿਆਰ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ, ਮੋਬਾਈਲ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਨਾ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ। Top level management, top level manager or owner of the employee wants to the new design to be implemented. He tells the manager to do it. He will initiate action. He will task good his subordinates or followers to do whatever the management wants to try. Number 2 is improves motivation. Similarly, he improves motivation. Motivates the employees or sub-workers or followers. Employees or sub-workers are followers of manager. In the followers of a leader, manager leader. Leader will motivate all the employees that will do the particular work and enhances it. Build work environment. He will build work environment. Work environment is where every employee or every follower will take care of its own work. He will not interfere in other works. If 10 employees are working in a plant, he will tell them to work coordinately and provide them an environment or a cabin or something or a location that their worker will be joining the things, providing work guidance. He will provide guidance to the workers by doing classes, lectures, etc. that are given to him. Works and authority. He will work and authority like he is the boss of his own machine and do whatever he wants to do and tell the employees to do the work. Creating confidence. He will create confidence between the employees that the new machine or new task will not harm their product or harm them or their salary or any other thing. He will be responsible or represents them to the organization. And last one is coordination. He will coordinate with different departments or different workers to do whatever he wants to do. And coordination is मिलजुल के रहना, coordinates the tasks which are given to the workers. Workers instead of hesitating or doing tells the leadership or his leader to do what they want to convey to the organization. Coordinating or coordination is the main aspect. Coordination, motivation, transaction, initiate action, providing work environment, giving them confidence is some important task for which worker is used. So these are the importance of leadership. Write that down and elaborate the topics. This is your second assignment. Also work on it and write about the importance of leaderships, manager and leaders. I have told previously to you that there are two types of persons who work with the followers or subordinates. If we tell the term subordinate, it will be called working with subordinate, that is a manager. If we talk about followers which will follow the particular things or for particular person is called a leader. All leaders may not be managers. Leaders ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੈਨੇਜਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਕਿ ਲੀਡਰ ਇੱਕ ਫੋਰਮੈਨ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਲੀਡਰ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹ ਆਪਦੇ 10 ਜਾਂ 15 ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਕੰਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਸਿਰੇ ਚਾੜ ਸਕਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦਾ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਕੰਮ ਮੈਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਗਾ। whereas a follower or manager is managing people। ਕਰ ਦੇ